Hello. So today my last Korgou box of the year arrived, and I'm just going to unbox what I have inside. First, I'm gonna unbox TXT's albums that I got. So I got the full Fight or Escape and then the Blue Hour album. I am trying to get a complete set for Blue Hour, so that's why I bought so many. So I'm gonna start with Fight or Escape. I have to say, for this album, I really love the inclusions that it came with. And I pulled Bumbu. And then for the standee, I got Yeonjun. I really love the colors and just the concept for this. Also, the packaging's pretty good. for the next one, let's see what I pulled. Okay, got the poster. I got Yunjin for the random poster. These are the stickers, the lyric book. And then the little cutout, I got Yunjin again. And then for the, I guess, okay, so I got Subin, Bumgyu, and then Hun and Kai for the, I don't know what it's called, but the green paper thing. And so those are my pulls for Fight or Escape. And now let's move on to Blue Hour. It's all the R version, I believe. That's what it's called. So I was actually thinking about just buying it resale, but then it would cost around the same for a random one. So I just got it from Weeper's shop. And I do not plan on like trading. If I don't get all the members, then I'm just going to try again. Because with this version, it's really good for like crafting. So, okay, so I got Bumgyu. Oh, I really love this version so much. Like, the photo book is so cute. Okay, so I probably need to like speed up this part. Okay, so I'm like very new to collecting TXT. It hasn't even been a year yet, so. Okay, let's see for this one who I got. It fell out. Okay, Hyun and Kai. Okay, usually, like lately, I barely pull Hyun and Kai. So that's actually very nice. That makes me happy. Hyun and Kai was actually my first bias in TXT. Then it was Subin, and Bumgyu is my bias record. Okay, so for this third one, I got Taehyun. He is so cute. So far I got the 3 Maknaes or 2 Maknaes and Bumgyu, whatever you want to say. So that's 3 out of 5. Okay, 4th album. And I got another Taehyun. Yeah, I usually pull Taehyun a lot, so that did not surprise me. So all I'm missing is the 2 youngs, Subin and Yeonjun. Okay. So So this is my 5th one, yeah. And I got Subin! Oh, I love these cards. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I have one left. Let's see who I get. And yes, this recording is after I've opened everything, so I already know who I got. But I didn't feel like talking that day, so I just recorded the video part. Because, I'm an introvert. Sometimes I just don't feel like talking. Okay, and for the last pool, I got Taehyun. Of course, I gotta get 3 Taehyuns. It's only right. So now I can always carry a Taehyun with me. Have a Taehyun on display and then a Taehyun for backup. So yeah, I do not trade for this collection, for my TXT collection. Really, I haven't done much trading since 2021. Yeah, even for BTS, I don't really trade anymore. Speaking of BTS, so my permission to dance code is finally here. I wish it was a DVD, but unfortunately Hype is going to digital only type content, which I do not like, because you have to have Wi-Fi to watch it, which and it's like you don't really own it, because if the app breaks or gets discontinued, like, how are you going to access your stuff? But anyway, permission to dance, and I really wanted this DVD because, of course, I did go to Permission to Dance in LA day 1 and the live play for day 2. So it was a really fun time. I went with my sister and we had a blast. It was fun just being with ARMY. So the packaging is really cute. And I liked how it came with a set of photo cards. This is just me trying to figure out this tassel thing. Which, yeah, the packaging's cute, but I still don't like that it's a digital code. That, like, really irks me. I mean, yeah, I can watch it on my phone on the go, but I rarely watch whole concert video, like, on the go anyway, so. Okay, I got Taehyun, and that picture, it actually has Jungkook, like, in the back, so technically I got 2 members for one, and, like, that part was random, but it comes with, like, I showed you the pre-order benefit, which was, like, these postcard things, and then photo card set. I really like the back of the photo card set because it matches the packaging, and they are just, I mean, BTS is my ultimate group. It will forever be that group for me. So, when I get their merch, it's just very nostalgic because I've been listening to their music since 2014. So, just good memories when I see them, when I listen to their music or watch their shows. I just really like that packaging. It's so cute. And then it came with a photo standee. Yeah, which is real nice. I have it displayed in my room right now. Yeah, that's the Permission to Dance DVD. And I'm so glad Los Angeles got its own, well, it's not a DVD. I keep calling it a DVD because it should have been one. But I'm glad Los Angeles got its own release because we were waiting for so long to see BTS. Just like the next time we see them in concert, it will be amazing. Okay, so the next DVD I'm unboxing is TXT's Act Lovesick, which was the first TXT concert that I went to. And this was 2022. My goodness. And I'm like, it was sitting in my cart for the longest. And then I was just like, okay, let me get it now. And yes, it's a later in the day or a different day maybe that I'm filming this. So yeah, I saw TXT in Houston and it was amazing. So it comes with this little feta thing, and then these like bookmark things, and photo cards. It's a photo card set. So, and this is actually a DVD, so that's good. So I did see TXT last year for their act Sweet Mirage, and yeah, that was a really good concert. I can't wait for that to be released on DVD too. They'll probably be released like late this year or next year. And you know, the members have been hinting that they're going to go on tour soon, so that's something to look forward to. And I kind of like this packaging too, not gonna lie. It's pretty sturdy. Like, I don't feel like I might break something, which is always a good thing. Okay, so I was getting bored, so I started watching a YouTube video. I can't even remember what YouTube video that is. Okay, and next is the Act Sweet Mirage Final Merch. And I don't know, I got a little bit more than what I thought I would get. So the first thing I got was the little mini photo book. Just thought it was cute. I like the symbol that they designed for this concert. So yeah, there's not much to it, just some pages and then the TXT logo on the inside with a little dangly keychain. Okay, and next is something that I was not going to get, but then I'm like, I kind of want to try it. And then I ended up ordering more before I even knew what it really smelled like. because this was the scent that they played for Blue Spring, but it was only for their Seoul concert. So, and I have to tell you, I use this every day. I love the smell. It's not strong or anything. It smells very nice. And actually, I'm almost out, so it's good that I ordered more. So the rest are actually just sitting in my Kaddy waiting to be shipped. So that's me being surprised that it's solid perfume, even though it said solid perfume. I don't know what I was thinking it would be like. It's literally like deodorant. And also, I love the packaging for it. Like, if you have to know one thing about me, is that I love keeping the packaging of something. Even some things that I get from like Daiso, I keep the packaging. Okay, so now I'm sitting over here, and the angle's not great, but it's fine. You can still see the merch once I take out the bag and everything. Well, okay, so this is the bag. It's nice and floppy, which kind of, like, I used it once, and it kind of gets annoying going in and out of it, but I still like how the bag feels, if that makes sense. It feels nice, and I like how it's floppy. Like, usually I like the look of sturdy purses, but then carrying them around can sometimes not be the best experience. So yeah. That comes with two pawns, a pink and black one. And just gonna take off the bag and show you guys. It's like messenger style bag. It's got their logo at the back. And I like the pocket in the back. That's really useful, and it's magnetic. Okay, and this is the shopper bag. This used to be a merch that I would get at all of BTS's concerts. I would always get this shopper bag because I felt like it's cheap and it's something that you can use a lot. When you go grocery shopping, or if you need to tote around a lot of stuff. So really, I have like a bunch of those in the back of my car. And this is the blanket, and the blanket feels so soft. Like, I love it. It's not like a regular size blanket that you would like cover up with, but it would be nice like over your legs. Like, I wish we had this for the LA stars, because I get cold easily. It would have been, and I wore a dress today too, because I had VIP floor seats, and yeah, my legs were cold. And This is the jacket. The jacket is so warm, it's like a blanket. It's not as soft as the pink blanket that I showed earlier, but it still feels nice. I really like wearing it. And even though it's white, I've been able to not spill spray on it. Of course, that means I take it off before then. This is me just checking out the lining and stuff and wishing that this was like an actual inside pocket. I feel like they could have done it. They could have sewed that in and it could have been a pocket. Like, I might try to do, I'm just kidding. I do not know how to sew well. So this is me just checking it out, making sure everything's right. Not that I can return it or anything. But yeah. And then gotta try it. So the silhouette of this jacket is not the most flattering, not gonna lie. It's boxy. It's very oversized on at least on me. But I do love oversized jackets anyway. And it keeps me nice and warm, so I don't care. But yeah, I live in Texas, so during the summer, it's just gonna be sitting in my closet, obviously. They have a winter storm, and I was wearing it, so luckily it came in before the winter storm. Oh, yes, the little TXT keyring. Which, this is so fitting because we got a new light stick, which yes, I did order. She is pretty, but you know, OG light stick is still very cute. And I think the last time it's gonna be officially used is for their fan meet thing, which is in March, because of course their anniversary is in March, so of course it's in March. But yeah. Like, I love the mini light sticks. They're just so cute. Do I ever use them? No. Do they ever get put on my bag? Of course not. They stay in their boxes like the regular light sticks do. Yeah, if you see a light stick displayed in my room, just know it's either broken or retired. So, yeah. If it is still in a box, it still works. Okay, so I decided to show me putting up my cards. Could it have been a separate video? Of course. But since I got a lot of cards in this Korgou haul, Korgou unboxing, I decided to just put them up. And I actually really like how my TXT binder looks. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward this part because this is just me trying to figure out where I'm putting everything. So yeah, this is just gonna be like a relaxing part of my video. Although my videos are pretty relaxing in my opinion. So I'm just putting up all of TXT's cards and then I'll move on to BTS and put up the Permission to Dance photo card set. Yep, and then I forgot to put up Subin's birthday merch. So this is me. I had to go and get a 6-pocket sleeve. So thank you for watching. This is Shay from Blue Side. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.